Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Releap token. Ticker symbol is REAP, R-E-A-P. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, August 14th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps so you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Releap token. So Releap, a social graph for the next billion users. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, August 14th, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search REAP, R-E-A-P, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter right up here. You can find their Twitter at Releap_IO. Over there you can find a full link tree to all their links. That'll take you anywhere you need to go. Their Discord's on here, a link to their app. 59,200 Twitter followers. So they're doing very well on their socials. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. So if we have a look at their BSC scan, they have 9 decimal places on this token. Total supply, 31,730,768 tokens. Now, on their webpage, which is on their link tree, you can also find a full white paper. Their webpage is releap.xyz. And yeah, all the info is on there. It says Releap Protocol is a decentralized social graph where creators can publish their content as a set of NFTs to be discovered, enjoyed, and traded on-chain. So the future of social. Web 2 social platforms are declining. Creators are searching for new ways to publish and monetize content. As existing solutions rely on middlemen and high commission rates and agenda-driven restrictions, the content creator market is estimated to have a CAGR of 13.1% over the next 10 years, reaching a value of $12.9 billion by 2032. So Web3 social for the next billion. You can claim a profile, mint or bid on a profile NFT, which is a limited supply. You can make it yours, so customize your profile and follow other users. You could share with your community. Post and likes are all stored on-chain and interoperable with other dApps. And you can explore the network. Choose to share your social graph with different dApps that support Releap. Powering the creator economy. So it's creator-owned content. Creators retain ownership and control over their work and how it's shared and distributed on the network. It's got built-in monetization, so creators on Releap can restrict access to their posts based on followership, one-off payments, or other conditions. Then there's censorship resistance, so no central point of control can be targeted by a government or other entity seeking to censor or alter content on the platform. And then also, yeah, so their 15-page white paper, it does have a decent amount of information on here. If you want to scroll through it here, it is a docsend.com. So yeah, they also have limitless reach. It says content on Releap is distributed across all apps, building on the network, enabling creators to reach new audiences without borders. Built for the community, community-specific moderation. So Releap is run by users, not by a corporation like Twitter or Facebook. Each dApp on Releap's protocol can set their own rules about how content is moderated. It's governed by fans, so Releap's organic reach based on popularity and engagement rather than advertising or algorithmic manipulation. True social. Independent creators can focus on their audience without having to pay for advertising or resort to tactics like clickbait. So strengths against other protocols, fully asset-centric. Unlike other chains, assets on SWI are fully owned by the user and not smart contract owned by a third party. Highly performant and scalable. So SWI's a multi-lane approach and gas fee mechanism enables reliable performance even when volume spikes and gasless interactions. Using sponsored transactions, dApps building on Releap have the option to abstract gas fees when users interact with content. So they have the profile NFTs, which is the heart of the online identity. Profile NFTs store the history of your creations and interactions, such as posts, likes, and comments. Profile NFTs can be owned by individual addresses, and an address can have multiple profile NFTs. A profile NFT contains a follower list with everyone that follows you. They have content NFTs, a container for social content. Posts are base objects with mirrors and comments providing additional functionality. Content NFTs are linked to users' profile NFTs. This ensures that all content created by a user remains user-owned and in their wallet. So content NFTs have a content URI, which points to a specific content on the publication that the publication contains. So they have a roadmap starting with the Releap mainnet launch, Releap feed curation, Releap feed subscription module, sponsored TXs. Next phase is Releap social graph API, Twitter migration tool, collect module, on-chain polls, tipping. And then last phase, Releap mobile app launch, content gating, and user subscriptions. So for the protocol, there's protocol upgrades, curation nodes, and curation operators. So that's what the REAP token can be used for. And for users, profiles, users, and sponsored transactions. They have lots of backers on here. Tokenomics, there's 800 million tokens, it says. 20% goes to team advisors and strategic partners. 20% staking rewards and liquidity. 20% ecosystem development, 5% seed round, 10% strategic round, 5% public sale, 20% community treasury. So check this token out. Their Twitter's up here, and you can find all the link tree on there with all the links that you need. And this token gets listed tomorrow, August 14th, 12 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box, and all the other referral codes as well. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.